ये भी रख रहे क्या?
अंदर लेना उसको बोल इधर लेना छाव में लेना बैक लाइट हो जाएगा अगेंस्ट लाइट होएगा आगे मत जाओ बाय बाय अब पीछे आ जाओ
कंगना जी वेट, कंगना जी एक मिनट, कंगना जी डे लाइट में पहले।
This was not the culture and the tradition in our house. But जब से मैं मुंबई में हूँ तब से हम लोग क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और इतना डेकोरेशन, इतने बलून्स, इतने केक्स तो मुझे कभी बचपन में मिले ही नहीं। तो आप तो बहुत ही लकी बच्चे हैं। तो एक बार फिर से कहिए मैरी क्रिसमस।
Firstly, Merry Christmas to you, Kangana. Thank you so much for coming out here and spending time with these wonderful angels from Smile Foundation. We are so happy that you are here.
No, thank you very much. Like I said, हम लोगों को because growing up, you know, in Himachal we did not have, but we get a holiday, and I don't know what to do on Christmas, honestly. So I told my team that let's meet children, and then they came up with this idea of meeting. Smile Foundation was very generous to organize this amazing event. So मेरा भी अच्छा Christmas हो गया और आप लोगों का भी.
I was a fat man, but this time, isn't she looking beautiful?
And how do you know what is sexy?
They just said, "Banno, tera swagger lage." Sexy is one of their favorite songs, so they know everything out here, Okay, once again, come on, please give it up for Kangana. Okay, so Kangana, you said like while you were growing up in the Himachal, okay, you didn't really get too much of time to actually celebrate Christmas out there because they didn't really have that kind of culture. You started celebrating it more when you came to Mumbai.
Yes.
So which is your fondest memory of Christmas?
So like I said, in our childhood, we didn't know what to do on this holiday. But since I've been in Mumbai, we have these amazing parties and friends come over. This morning, I got a friend who baked a nice rum cake for me. And everyone's been in high spirits. And with this event today, it's been more festive. So this is as good as it gets.
I think it's just going to keep getting bigger and better from here on. So how does it feel being associated with Smile Foundations and actually coming out here and celebrating your time with these wonderful kiddies here?
Well, they are doing great work. Honestly, like when I see people like them who dedicate their lives to the welfare of humanity, it just seems like a very small effort on our end to come and celebrate a Christmas or a Diwali or a New Year with these amazing, wonderful children. But I mean, we will also try to involve ourselves as much we can. And like you said, it's just gonna get better and better from here on. Yeah. So thank you, children. बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का.
Thank you so much, Kangana. These kids are so excited to hand over all the wonderful handmade cards that they have for you. But we're going to have to wait for that because I have one more thing to ask you. You recently pledged your support for the initiative Quaker Feed a Child with Smile Foundation, which will help create 2 lakh nutritious meals for the kids of Smile Foundation. Your thoughts on this campaign?
Like I said, to provide children with nutrition and to educate them about it is a great learning, and this is going to stay with them for their entire life. आप जो सीखेंगे न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में, खाने के बारे में, वो आपसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता. This is your learning. और जो भी आप सीखते हैं स्कूल में या जो पढ़ते हैं वो आपके पास हमेशा रहेगा. तो उससे अच्छा कोई गिफ्ट नहीं हो सकता है. तो अपने न्यूट्रिशन का ध्यान रखिए और अपने जो भी है एजुकेशन और अपने फ्यूचर का बहुत ध्यान रखिए.
Thank you so much. Kangana, one nutritional message that you'd like to give all these kiddies out here in terms of, because you're a fitness freak for sure. You always keep yourself healthy.
I'm very healthy. मैं जो भी स्वीट्स है या फ्राइड खाना है वो कभी कभी खाती हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं खाती, कभी कभी खाती हूँ. बट मैं जो घर का खाना है जैसे दाल, सब्जी, रोटी एंड चावल, जो हेल्थी फूड है मैं ज़्यादा वो खाती हूँ. और यही मेरे मसल्स का राज है.
So if you want muscles like Kangana, please stay healthy, stay away from fried food, okay? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, they're all pumped up right now. So as a way of this initiative, we have this wonderful Quaker bowl that we call out here. Okay, we would want you to actually inaugurate this for us and show your support by signing it for us. Everyone come on, give your hands. Come on, keep your hands clapping. This is the Quaker Feed a Child, an initiative which has been pledged by Kangana, and she plans on supporting it with Smile Foundation. The heart is really cute. A healthy heart. Oh, perfect. That's so cute. That's so cute. Everyone, come on, give it up for Kangana. Kangana, I would like you to join us out here once again. Please come this side. Thank you so much. You know, they say every celebration is incomplete unless we do not cut a cake, right? So don't you think we should cut a cake? A Christmas cake? Only 2 kids. Let's not cut the cake. Let's not. Okay, we are asking for the last time. How many kids want cake out here? Christmas cake?
These 3 don't want.
They don't want cake?
You want. These 2 don't want.
केक नहीं चाहिए? Christmas cake?
Okay, now everyone will get.
अभी सबको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पर. ठीक है. तो केक बुलाए? Let's call for the cake. Okay, so can you please have the cake out here? Okay, come on. So all these wonderful kids have made some handmade cards for you. Come on, please come one by one. And they're trying to wish you a Merry Christmas and a very, very, very happy. Thank you so much, Kangna. So by the end of the event, we'll hand over all the Christmas cards to you.
ये किशन नीचे बैठ किशन पीछे है ना
कंगना जी या और ना या स्माइल
अगर यूवी सैंटा ने कहा है तो स्माइल तो देना ही है. And everyone, let's see your teeth. Come on. सब लोग साथ में मिलके काटेंगे. Well, I think, Kangana, you've been blessed abundantly this Christmas, you know, with all these kiddies out here. And I think we seem to be having a gala time with you already.
कंगना जी राइट में कंगना जी राइट में
कंगना जी राइट में
Okay, thank you. Wow, that's a lovely one. And kiddos from Smile Foundation would like to give you this wonderful hamper. Kids, once again, come on, can you have a huge round of applause? Come on. Thank you so much, Kangana, for coming out here. Thank you for being a wonderful Santa to all the kids out here. Bye, Kangana. Thank you so much. Thank you.
अरे नहीं दे रहे यार वो भी ये
कहाँ फोटो है आई आई आगे आगे चल
पीछे से हटो ना अभी पीछे अच्छा विनोद
पीछे से भाई उसका फोटो हो रहा है तुम लोग कहाँ भी एक मिनट
दादा
हाँ
प्रथमेश भाई नीचे बैठो ना
अरे रुक ना उसको उसका फोटो हो रहा है तुम लोग उसके फोटो के अंदर फोटो ले रहे हैं
उसका ही फोटो है यार
खाली जाना
कंगना जी
करना यार
मैम सामने मैम
थोड़ा बाइक का देखो
कंगना जी थोड़ा सा बाइक छोटा सा
अरे वाह ये लोग हमेशा ऐसे ही करते हैं
बैठ गए क्या बैठ गया
तुम्हारा